Guys, so I just got back home from work and I saw on my chair that there's a package, so I checked. It looked like the KPro box, and here it is. Let's go! So hyped up. It's been a long 3 weeks of coming, bruh. Oh my goodness. I can finally drive my car. I have my brother's laptop here. We are gonna be using this to tune the ECU, and we'll put the ECU in right now, and yeah, let's go. All right, hopefully we get a sticker. If not, I'll be so mad. I got I don't want to ruin the box. I'm so hyped up right now. Oh my god, y'all don't even know. I just want to drive my car. Come on, man. Let's go. Yes, sir. I don't know what these are, but okay. Oh, yes, my ECU's back, baby. Let's go, bruh. Yes, I know. Let's go. Install software before plugging in. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh, yes. I got 2 stickers. Let's go. Let's go, bruh. Oh, man, stop playing with me, bruh. Alright, so let's put this in the car right now. Bro, y'all don't know how hyped I am to be in this car again, bruh. I've been sitting here for like the past like couple days, like just sitting here like reminiscing, and man, now I'm just like, I can finally drive it. Let's go.
Hey, this guy made a 65 wheel horsepower, man.
Alright, what? Hey, the boys came, man. Hey, man.
I got Brembos.
Oh.
I got Brembos.
Sheesh.
Yeah, but I said, hey, what?
That's what KPro look like?
Yeah.
Literally what you Photoshop? I thought I would have like a fat KPro sign.
K20.
Hey, let me do something real quick. You're gonna be hella fast.
You mean slow? Hey man, look at this guy! Look at this guy!
Come on, man. Too much orange.
And where's your boost? Where's your boost at, bro?
And then press update and register.
Sheesh! These guys signing in, man.
Hey! Hey! Hey, just jam out with me.
And in my hand because I'm yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore you.
Oh! And do that again. Put your arm down though. And do the face.
So a couple days has passed since you guys last saw me. I was with Billy and Chen, and I was basically setting up everything with KPro, basically registering my car to KPro and like messing around with the settings. The first day I got KPro, the first night actually, I put on a base map for the, I think it was the Toda exhaust, intake, and header, and stock cam, so I put that one on. It felt good, but like, you know, it didn't feel as good as what I have right now. So right now I have a base map for a popcorn tune. Shout out to Johnny, aka DC5 Blends, for the popcorn tune, aka the Crackle tune. And it sounds pretty good. I'll show you guys some clips right now.
Alright guys, so back here with Aaron. We're gonna keep continuing the vlog. This is obviously at nighttime. I'm here, my name is Heartbreak Bash. We got the tune installed and everything, so he's gonna show us his pops now. So we're gonna see what it sounds like. Wow, man, sounds really fucking loud. And obviously this is in Mexico, so God damn. It's kind of scary out being out here, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Damn. Oh, he just shot a flame. Just shot a flame again.
Johnny also put a two-step on my car, so I'll show you guys what it looks like right now.
Wait, do you even have a muffler?
He does.
Oh, you know, my bad. I thought you were him. Shit, bro, my fucking eardrum.
Hey, come on, man. Interview. How was that? How was that?
That was good.
God
That
damn.
shit was clean.
God damn. How you feel? How you feel?
Hey, it's something different.
God damn.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Oh no.
It's just a rep. It's fine.
All right. Oh shit, it was on fire! God damn!
If you guys want the settings for the two-step, let me know in the comments down below. I'll post another video basically showing you guys the settings what I have right now. It is pretty much different for every RSX or like somewhat similar. I'm still playing around with the high revs or the low revs and which one I like more, but what I show you guys right now is like probably the best two-step I've ever done. Going up into the 6,000 range for the two-step is like, kind of sounds ugly to me. I don't really like it too much. So around like 5, 4, 5, 8-ish is around the perfect setup for me. Now in the previous videos I showed before, I did two-step that was on K-Tuner and I did not have the 0506 O2 sensor, which is pretty bad if you don't run that on the 0204. But if you have the 0506, you're pretty much set. So it is pretty dangerous. That's how Danny's car got kind of messed up from running K-Tuner and two-stepping a lot, is because he was running a closed loop. Be careful on that, guys. Disclaimer, I am not responsible for blowing you guys' engines. If you guys ever do, knock on wood, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna, say anything, but try not to do as much as possible. For me, I'm just gonna show it to a meet. If people want it, I'll do it, but like, I'm like, I'm not gonna do it every day, so like, I'm saying? I'll go more in depth in another video, but I was too hyped up that I got KPro and I actually got my car back and running. That's why I took so long to make this video. It took actually 3-4 days to actually make this video because I've been just enjoying the car, actually like feeling how like the power band has been almost linear, because before the tune, after the 3-inch exhaust, there was no mid-range torque and it was just high-end power, and now it's all just straight straight up just, oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. 750 and 3.5 weeks, almost hitting 4 weeks for KPro. They did not send me an email telling me that they're shipping it back. It just showed up to my house. As you guys saw from the beginning of the video, I was very hyped up. And yeah, I was hoping I was gonna get a license plate frame for KPro, but it is what it is. I'm probably not gonna run it anyway because people are gonna think I'm tuned. Even though I am, technically I'm not. I'm on a base map, kinda. Yeah, so I actually want to go to Mexico again and, you know, try run some people, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see how my car like feel like, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to see how I stack up against these other people like the V6s, G35s. I'm gonna run it with Chen pretty soon once he gets his axles put on. We're gonna rerun Sebastian as well. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it's pretty short. I just wanted to make a quick video updating you guys that I got KPro. Honest reviews, I love it. I'm in love with my car even more. It actually opens up the car even more. I can't wait till I actually street tune or actually professionally tuned by a tuner. And I'm actually gonna be thinking about going with the Yosh tune. I don't know if you guys know him, but I'll let you guys know how that goes. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. It's AronRSX signing out. Peace.